An embarrassing niche is a niche in which people are desperately searching for a solution to a problem that they find too embarrassing to talk about. And they're only comfortable searching for solutions on the internet. And when they do find a solution to that problem, they will buy it in an instant. So basically, these are super hungry buyers that you are marketing to. All you have to do is show them where to spend their money. Some examples of embarrassing niches are man boobs, constipation, warts, anything to do with the male or female anatomy, and basically, the more embarrassing the problem, the more people will be searching online for a solution. The best place to look for ideal products to promote in the embarrassing niches is in ClickBank. Now, I know there's a lot of affiliate platforms out there that are better than ClickBank, but when it comes to embarrassing niches, ClickBank is the best place to go to. Now, when searching for embarrassing niches on the ClickBank marketplace, you should only consider niches which have two or more products because then there's a good chance that there's a large customer base for that niche. And at least one of the products should have been in existence in that ClickBank marketplace for over a year. Using correct keywords is one of the most important factors in being successful in niches. Now, what I recommend you do is to concentrate on a small number of trigger keywords. These are basically keywords which will get a response. You could also refer to them as buying keywords or buyer keywords. Now, I'll give you a couple of examples of keywords you can use. Okay, one example is to use the keywords, what are man boobs? Now, this will usually just attract tire kickers. Because, the people that you're going to attract, they may not be looking for a solution. A lot will, but some may not. Okay. Now, here's an example of a better keyword set of keywords that you can use. Okay. How to get rid of man boobs, or how to get rid of man boobs fast. Okay. So this is what I would consider a trigger. Now, there are many ways to promote affiliate products in these embarrassing niches. But what I recommend you do is start your own blog on your own domain and to add unique and interesting content often, and make sure that most, not all, of your new content is optimized for your keywords. And make sure you understand who your market is and the demographics. For example, if the niche is mostly females, don't talk from a male perspective. You can also use high PR third-party sites to both link back to your blog with relevant content, which also makes a fantastic backlink. And you can distribute PDFs to the top 15 document sharing sites. And press releases, they also work well if you get them right. Just don't fill your blog with affiliate links immediately because Google may not like that.